KLA is a global tech company that helps make the tiny chips inside electronics work better. Semiconductors are in almost every piece of technology we use, like mobile phones, electric cars, hospital machines, and most home gadgets. A typical person uses literally dozens of devices powered by semiconductors every day without even realizing it. The manufacturing process is incredibly precise and complex, involving hundreds of steps to produce a single chip. KLA has invested approximately $138 million in the new 237,000 square foot R&D and manufacturing centre in Newport. It includes 25,000 square feet of cleanroom space and over 35,000 square feet of manufacturing area. This investment has significantly improved operational efficiency through automation and logistics upgrades, while also boosting the local economy through job creation and infrastructure development. The Newport site itself supports global semiconductor manufacturers serving industries such as automotive, telecommunications, consumer electronics, aerospace, and healthcare. Investing in this new facility has enhanced our logistics capabilities, enhancing more efficient global distribution and better alignment with customer demands. Beyond technical roles, KLA offers careers across a whole range of disciplines. We work with the Network 75 degree apprenticeship scheme in partnership with the University of South Wales. Graduate schemes are available in business support functions such as finance, marketing, procurement, planning. These include structured rotations, mentoring, and soft skills training. Apprenticeships are vital for building a sustainable talent pipeline. They provide hands-on experience, foster local employment, and support the long-term growth of the semiconductor cluster here in South Wales.